So I'm in the Owens Valley up on top of Walt's Point, and I've been here for 2.5 hours, and the wind has been coming through here a lot of the time, too much of the time to be able to launch. And then the windsocks have all been indicating different things, a lot of tail, but then periods when it would come on here, but then the windsocks out the front would be pointing in different directions. There was a hang glider pilot here who's flown here many times, and he packed up his glider and went home because he didn't like it, and I don't like it either. But my problem is that this is the one and only day I have to fly here, because tomorrow it's going to get windy and it's going to be no good. And what started to happen is cycles have started coming through, like right now, and then they are bringing 5 or 10 kilometers of wind onto the face. And then when you look at the windsocks that I put up there, they're not pointing in this direction, and the ones which are up top are generally not pointing in this direction all the time, although they do seem to indicate a lot of southerly component. So the question is, if I take off here and I go for that face which is over there in the sun, am I going to find thermals? A thermal? And if I don't, where am I going to end up? I would expect to get out of the canyon. Although if I don't find a thermal, can I really promise myself that I will? No, there's no promises in anything though. So I guess the main thing is I can launch safely. If I can launch here safely under control, and I hugged the left side and I get around and I haven't found a thermal, I'll just be able to glide down and land on the road that we drove in on. Do I really want to do this? I really want to do this. Is it safe to launch? But is that me being a pansy ass? Or is that intelligence that I have telling me it's a stupid thing to do? How am I supposed to know the difference? It's the monkeys that might be scared. Well, I need to feel it, and actually right now there's just a little puff, and the other windsocks aren't pointing towards me, so I can try. Oh.
I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here. I don't belong here. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
Thank you, fucking universe. That's really what I needed, was the one thermal of the day to be right here where I land.